Hey guys, House of Teks here. Today I'll be showing you a common issue with the dual clutch transmission from a 2012 Ford Focus. So the most common issue is dual clutch wearing out, causing a shuddering feeling while driving. In this case, the clutch fork B was damaged, so you want to make sure the clutch forks are working properly when you replace a dual clutch. You can test the clutch fork by turning it counterclockwise, making sure it retracts. The special tool used to turn the clutch forks is called an actuator reset, but you may be able to use a 6mm ball and hex bit. As you can see, the clutch fork B is jammed and won't turn in either direction. If you are going to reuse the dual clutch, make sure to reset the clutch. Failure to do so will cause damage to the transmission. When installing the dual clutch, you have to press down the clutch, but I was able to tap it with a screwdriver in order to install its snap ring. When installing a dual clutch, make sure to align the given marks to prevent any untraceable vibration. The snap ring can only be installed in one position. Once you have installed the dual clutch, you will need to unlock the clutch by turning the clutch forward counterclockwise. You can hear it unlock after 14 turns. Since it's a dual clutch, you will need to unlock both clutches.